Hello friends, welcome to our channel Your Help Buddy. Today I am going to show you how to create a multi-bootable pen drive. A single USB flash drive for all your OS, like Linux, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 and Windows 11. First open Google Chrome and search for Ventoy download. Open the first download link. There are several options for Windows, Linux and Live CD. Click on the Windows zip file if you are a Windows user. After downloading the zip file, extract it on your preferable drive. Open this folder and click on the Ventoy 2 disk option. Now plug in the USB flash drive and it will be shown on the device section. Now click on Install button. Be sure there is no important data on your USB flash drive. After completion, open this drive and copy-paste the OS ISO you desired to install. It will take more time than you can imagine. Now plug in the USB drive in the target PC. Restart the PC and open BIOS menu by hitting Delete key at the time of restarting. Be sure your first preference for boot option is USB drive. Now again restart the PC while the USB drive is plugged in. Now the Ventoy boot menu will open. Select the OS you want to install and hit enter. Hooray, you are done your task. If you find the video is helpful and informative to you, then please like, comments and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned, stay updated. Thank you.